Dr. Swati Ramachandran, an aesthetic physician, and I'm from Bangalore. So I've been in Mumbai right now, and it was a 3-day course conducted by AAAM. Initially, I was not too sure of what I was getting into, enrolling myself into, but after coming here, I should tell you, this is the best course for any beginner. And it teaches you, how to start off with Botox and fillers. And if you are someone who's doing a lot of it, then it guides you how to properly go for it. And I'm recommending every one of you to take up the level 2 course, because it's going to be more in-depth Botox and fillers, and also they brush you up on the lasers and chemical peels as well. So this is it, the level 1. Go for it, guys. Thank you.